Hey guys, so I just wanted to give you a quick tour of what $1,700 per month gets you in Lower Manhattan. So if we come over here, we have the kitchen. This is a one-bedroom apartment. My roommate's the main occupant lives in here, my roommate. We got a bathroom, a shared bathroom. Uh, and then this whole thing used to be the living room. But what my roommate did was he put up a wall here and he made it into a second bedroom. So this is my room, and I pay $1,700 a month for this room. So it's it's pretty cozy, but I'm very happy with it for $1,700 a month in Lower Manhattan. So I'd say this room is about 10 by 10, or yeah, 10 by 12. So it's pretty. I got enough space in here. You definitely don't want to bring your whole life up here. But yeah, so my roommate supplied me with this little closet here. You can see I got all my hanging clothes in there. Gave me, well, he didn't give me, this just comes with the room. The bed comes with the room, the table comes with the room, the lamp. And then I have this nice little window up here which lets in the light. Unfortunately, this is an a west facing apartment, so I don't get that morning sun. I don't get that morning sun coming in through there and then through there. It's a very dim light, so I have to compensate for that by having a white light that comes on early in the morning to wake me up. So here's the living room. As you can see, my roommate knew what he was doing when he got this place. It was an XL living room, and he just put up this wall. So he always had the intention of making this a one bedroom with flex space. Here is my little workstation. It's actually not that little. Got two 24-inch monitors, a laptop. Got my MacBook over there. So I just set up on the dining room table here, and then this is the living room. And then we got this is the best part though, the view of the Hudson River, and then a little porch over there. So yeah, $1,700 a month for Lower Manhattan. I mean, it's a little bit of a sticker shock, but once you start looking for a place of your own, you realize that $1,700 a month gets you pretty far, especially in my situation where I know my roommate. I've known him for about 6 or 7 years now, and he's a very accommodating roommate. So yeah, if you've ever wondered what it would cost to live in Manhattan, especially this area, I hope this video gave you some good information. You can definitely get a little cheaper if you move outside Manhattan to Brooklyn or Queens. I would say Jersey City is probably the cheapest. If you're looking to be in close proximity to Manhattan, especially Lower Manhattan, Jersey City is going to be the cheapest, and then Queens after that, and then Brooklyn. And that's just because Brooklyn and Queens are within the jurisdiction of New York City, so you have local taxes, whereas in Jersey City, you don't have any local taxes. And Jersey State, the state of Jersey, state income taxes are substantially lower than New York City. So that's why I'm planning on moving to Jersey City. But yeah, just to give you some perspective, I believe this apartment as a whole rents between $4,000 and $4,500 a month. So, but we got quite a deal here with this view. So keep that in mind.